While I'm waiting on parts, I figured I'd clean it up. So I cleaned all the dirt and the bugs off it, and it's looking good. Yeah. Cleaned out the inside too. Probably can't see because it's so dark in there, but yeah, too bad. Inside's real nice. Well, I've been busy pulling it all apart to put a fuel pump in it. What a real pain in the neck. Had to pull the air conditioning out of it, the generator. You can't even see that fuel pump still. Barely see it. Might have to pull all those homemade brackets off the air conditioning. And I can't get to those bolts. So, I don't know. I'm just going to take my time. Well, I finally got everything out. The whole air conditioning, all the brackets for the air conditioning, got the fuel pump out, generator. Had to get all that out just to get the fuel pump out. That's crazy. Of course, that's what happens when it's an add-on, not original air conditioning system, but oh well. Can't even see it. Tomorrow I should be able to finish the fuel pump installation. Install the air conditioning compressor, finish installing the generator, all the belts, and then try to figure out how much Freon refrigerant to put in the air conditioner, see if I can get it working. The fuel pump's done. Next project is rebuilding the carburetor, Rochester 4-barrel. It's actually off of a 54 Olds, but it's close enough to 53. Well, that was a job and a half.